This quarter-mile-long Texas cow barn is brimming nose to tail with 60s and 70s muscle cars, and the owner will only sell all 302 of them, or none at all. Jason from Southern Bush Motorsports YouTube channel was the lucky duck who found it. Southern Bush Motorsports is a classic car consultancy firm that travels across the country searching for and verifying authentic classic muscle cars, by the way. How did Jason find it? He got a call about this cow barn in an old salvage yard and asked whether he would like to go and take a look. The owner of the salvage yard, he had recently passed away. This was his daughter's inheritance, and she wanted a cool $1 million for all of them. That averages out to $3,311.25 per car. No picking and choosing, no willing to sell individual vehicles. On the positive side, there is some corrosion and wear and tear, but nearly every vehicle has only minor surface rust and is entirely original. $1 million for all that sounds like a decent deal for the lot. So what's the problem? For one, the 302 cars are packed like sardines in a dark barn. Jason had to walk around in it in his socks and took 2 full days just to flash photographize and document the experience. How in Sam Hill could you move all these cars? For two, there are definitely some interesting unrestored classic cars in there, but no Yenko Camaros or Shelby Mustangs. So Jason, who spent 30 years in the classic car industry, values the collection at $300,000 to $400,000. That's $993.37 to $1,324.50 a car. Does that seem more or less fair to you? Jason concludes that prospective buyers shouldn't feel swayed into paying significant premiums for unrestored cars if, once they've purchased the car, they plan on working on and restoring it themselves. How did the late owner collect over 300 cars in a cow barn? Jason says that the late owner used to tow cars back to his salvage yard, and if the owner of the car didn't pay the tow fee, he would just keep the car for himself. Selling what you don't own. Ain't that the American way? Some other cars must have come from auction, as you can see from the numbers on the windshields. Now, at the time of writing, we can't confirm the repo man's daughter sold the collection. If someone did buy it, though, we know 2 things about them. 1, they have a lot of real estate, and 2, they have one heck of a story to tell.